Tessa. I'm volunteering with A Broader View, and while I've been in Cartagena, I've been working at the foundation. I work with basically wherever they need me, so with the little kids or with kids between 3 and 5 years old. There's also some education for women as well, but I've mostly kind of been staying with the niñas pequeñas, the little ones, and just helping with feeding and stimulation and activities with them. So,
how is your Spanish right now? Has it improved?
my Spanish has improved so much. There's a lot of opportunities to practice with the workers at the foundation, also just at the house and with Labrado, and yeah, there's a lot of opportunities to practice, and this immersion with Spanish has been fantastic. So,
Do you have any recommendation for the next volunteer?
come with an open mind and an open heart, and just be ready. Again, it's hard because nothing is quite to a strict schedule, because it's very fluid and so everything changes. So as long as you have an open mind and you're willing to experience different things, try different food, be okay with making mistakes with Spanish and that language barrier a little bit, but as long as you are open to new experiences, it's fantastic.
How was the experience with your host family?
Incredible. It's words can't describe. There was so much love and so much kindness, and I felt safe and supported, and like I could, go to them with any questions or any concerns. It was absolutely fantastic.
What can you say about the cultural differences?
For cultural differences, it's different with the food. That is another thing that's a little bit different. But, if you have any specific allergies or anything like that, be sure that you kind of are aware of what you want to eat and how it needs to be cooked. But besides that, culturally, it feels not as different as I was expecting. There wasn't that much of a culture shock. So it is an incredible culture, though.
What can you do in your free time in Cartagena?
Oh man, it's amazing. You can go to the beach, you can hang out, you can practice Spanish, you can meet people. Music has been huge. That's something that has to do with the culture, is the music. It's been fantastic to hear different kinds of music and different dances. I've learned how to dance salsa, and there's a lot of things to do.
How was the local staff of A Broader View? Did they help you?
Yes, they've helped me a lot. Every question that I've had was answered. Again, I felt supported and like I could talk to anybody that I needed to. And it was something where everything was very clear. Even though things changed, I always knew what the plan was and how to go about it.
Would you recommend A Broader View for those who want to volunteer abroad?
Absolutely. It's a great opportunity to be able to go to a different country and experience a different culture, but still feel supported and not be going solo. So I felt safe, and I would rather travel with this company and have this experience than go by myself. Things felt very safe, and it was an incredible opportunity. So,
Thank you so much, Tessa.
thanks.